Peters woman is locked in a battle with City Hall over grass in her front yard. The city of St. Peter says at least half of her yard must be turf grass. Well, she says she's allergic to that and she's fighting it out in the courts. Our Ray Preston reports her case has gone all the way to the Federal Court of Appeals.
Janice Duffner walked out of the Eagleton Federal Courthouse with a vow to keep fighting.
No, I am not backing down.
The fight has already gone on for 4 years, winding its way through the courts. Duffner lives in St. Peter's, and her yard is filled with bushes and flowers, lawn ornaments, a small fountain. Duffner and her late husband were told 50% of their lawn had to be grass. Duffner says she's allergic to grass. The city tried to strike a deal.
Down to 5% of the yard in turf grass.
An attorney for the city told the court residents must abide by regulation.
The city offered a fantastic accommodation to limit the amount of turf grass. There was opposition to that accommodation, but the city stuck with it.
If I'm allergic, I'm 5%, that's okay. I was told by the city to take out my roses, put in grass, and I said I'm allergic. Well, that's okay. Pay somebody to take care of your yard.
The city says the case was brought to its attention by a complaint from a neighbor. Duffner says she has the right to use her private property in a harmless, lawful manner.
The interest the city is really going for is not aesthetics. It's not making things beautiful. It's making things the same. Making people conform to each other's idea of what's beautiful. And that's un-American.
A 3-judge panel will now decide the case. A decision could come in the next 2 to 4 months. If Duffner loses, the fight may not be over.
If, for any chance, this decision goes against us, we're going to go to the U.S. Supreme Court.
In downtown St. Louis, Ray Preston, News 4.
Coming up tonight.